Here are three more beautiful ladies who are nominees tonight.
Country music's new power trio, Ashley Monroe, Angelina Presley, and Miranda Lambert.
Krista Ramnitz.
I'm hell on heels, say what you will. I done made the devil a deal. He made me pretty, he made me smart. I'm gonna break the million hearts. I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for you. This diamond ring on my hand's the only good thing that came from that man. Got a GTO, one named Joe, and a big piece of land down in Mexico. I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for